Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize specialty insurance with Hiscox, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize specialty insurance with Hiscox, start by identifying the specific type of specialty insurance you need. Research the coverage options that Hiscox offers in your industry. Review the specific risks associated with your profession. Gather information on your business operations and potential liabilities. Contact Hiscox for a consultation to discuss your unique needs. Ask about their special programs tailored for various industries. Compare quotes and coverage limits from Hiscox to other competitors. Evaluate the claims process and customer service reputation of Hiscox. Examine any discounts or incentives for bundling policies. Look into the flexibility of the policy terms offered by Hiscox. Make sure to understand any exclusions or limitations in the policy. Assess how Hiscox's coverage can adapt to your business as it grows. Utilize Hiscox's online resources for quote comparisons and policy details. Consider consulting an insurance broker for expert advice on specialty insurance. Keep detailed records of all communications and documentation. Regularly review your policy to ensure it continues to meet your needs. Finally, stay informed about changes in the industry that could affect your coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.